Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the scary and misleading pop-ups that come from the website Watchcurrentcompletelytheproduct.vip. So, Watchcurrentcompletelytheproduct.vip is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. But mainly Google Chrome is being attacked. This is actually a fake Chrome update alert that tries to trick people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. These extensions may start playing the function of adware by showing advertisements not related to the sites that you visit, or some of these extensions may hijack some crucial browser settings without your permission. So anyway, speaking about all these pop-ups, don't ever interact with them. Don't download or install anything that they suggest. It's a deception to interact with these pop-ups. We recommend you to carefully research your system, but first of all, you should remove any third-party extensions from Google Chrome if they were mistakenly installed. So, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. In case you find any unfamiliar extensions here, get rid of them. I also recommend researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on this website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.